Welcome all to the ForexBunker's weekly analysis. We'll go over the master candles and look at what the pairs have done and what they will do for the week to come. Now just quickly we'll touch on the only master candle for the week, and it was a break-even trade this week. On this chart you could have been stopped out, but I have been recording the master candles all based off my MetaTrader platform since the start of the method, so we'll stick with that, and that didn't get stopped out as well within the master candle low. This will be counted as break even at end of the weekend. Pile of dojis, pile of weakness, just get out and leave it at that. So on to the pairs for the week. We'll start off with GU. This is a daily chart. GU did nothing on the first day, basically stood still, and then we saw a nice push up and then firmly rejected off the 160 mark. This will, I do apologise for that line, do that again. Price did bounce, did push up and then come back down to confirm a support, ready for a further push higher. And I think we will see, I think price is trying to headhunt this 16250 zone, so keep an eye on that. If it does push down, areas to watch out for will be the 15660 mark. Keep an eye on that on the top of this area of consolidation just here. Let's dive into AU. AU had a pretty strong rejection off the parity again on Wednesday, and I do anticipate us to push down. Now keep in mind three zones: the 9550, 9650 area and 9750 area. Keep an eye on those zones, look for weakness, look for places to enter the market. It could be quite nice shorts or longs depending on how price reacts around those zones. If we do push higher, which I don't think will be the case this week, watch out for the 1.0250 area. That was the last swing high, so just keep an eye on that. Also, we could see a further push sideways, just bouncing within this area. But only time will tell. We'll see how the market opens next week, but do keep an eye on these levels regardless of what price does. Let's have a look at GJ. GJ is very uneventful, so it'll be very quick. GJ, if we just draw a box around 132 to 131, you'll see that price pretty much stayed in that zone. 100 pip range, not doing much. But I just want to point out to you all, if you notice, GJ has been making new lower highs and new lower lows. So this area here is very interesting, so stay very nimble around here, because if price does push past these zones, it is starting to hint that the direction could be changing. So yeah, keep an eye on this. We're getting very close to this 133 zone and this 134 zone, so just stay nimble. Finally, EU had a nice pop on Friday. Areas to watch out for this week will be definitely this 137 to 13750 area. Keep an eye on that for nice weakness for shortage. Also watch out for these three lines here. This area that price did struggle to get through, and now it is through, ready for either a return for a further push up or off the bounce off the short, ready to push up there. So keep an eye on that area. Other than that, lower would be the 129 mark, but I don't think we'll see that this week. Alright, that's pretty much it from me. I hope you all had a fantastic week and weekend, and hope your trading was good. And I will talk to you all later. See ya.